Anna, what would you do if you had all the power and wisdom to change the European packaging system as sustainable as possible?
That feels like a lot of responsibility. No, but I think if I could change certain things, or if I could even keep certain things, because certain things are already good. Let's talk about keeping. So first of all, I would try to retain the cardboard exemption from the reuse targets. But if I wanted to go a little bit further, I would add an exemption for packaging with a high recycling rate, maybe 85%, for example, that is recycled at scale. Instead of delegated acts, I would rather see SEN standardization, where the Commission would mandate SEN to have design for recycling criteria. Mm-hmm. I think there is enough expertise in SEN that can also be material specific, and we have good experiences from SEN also when it comes to the timeline in executing the work. Ensure that high quality recycling does not automatically mean closed loop. So that is something we discussed before. Restrictions and bans in the use of recyclable packaging. So if the packaging in Annex V or 5 is recyclable, then why should it be banned? Why should it be restricted? So that would have to go. And also the recycled content target should only apply to predominantly plastic-made packaging. And finally, a separate collection target for 2030 for packaging.